out for the wedding today, and I figured I would share 5 things that I take to a wedding that have absolutely nothing to do with photography. So the first thing that I take to every single wedding and keep it in my pocket at all times is a pen. Whether it's writing notes down, whether it's having to cross pictures off when I'm done with them. I get asked for a pen all the time, or someone will be like, do you have a pen? To someone in the room, and I'm like, boom, I'm like a ninja. I have it right there. And then I also take a Sharpie marker with me. That you get bonus points for. That's for marking things. For there's several things that a Sharpie is used for on the wedding day. I just put them both in my pocket before I leave the studio. So another thing that I bring is bobby pins. Bobby pins, and the third thing would be safety pins. Safety pins for bustling, for fixing dresses, things like that, and bobby pins just because you can never have too many bobby pins. So another thing that's important on the wedding day is tissues. Whether that is cleaning up spills, whether that is a teary-eyed mom, tissues are super important to bring with you on the wedding day. So to recap, so far we've had our pen / our marker, our bobby pins, our safety pins, and now our puffs to go. Our tissues are super important to have. I carry a ton of tissues with me. They're in pretty much all my bags, so I always have them readily available. Last and certainly not least is first aid kit. Blood and wedding dresses don't tend to go very well. But also for things like, girls wearing shoes for the first time, they have blisters, things like that. And I just carry a small first aid kit with me. It has an ice pack in it. It has antiseptic wipes, so if they need to clean something, they can. But I always have this in my car. I also have one in a kit that I take into the wedding. So if they need band-aids, if they need, antiseptic wipes, this is kind of a go-to for me as well. So I always have my first aid kit, I always have my tissues, always have bobby pins, always have safety pins, and always have a pen. And then for bonus points, which I actually used at the wedding, was having a permanent marker as well. I hope you found this useful. This is one of the ways that I, deliver a awesome customer experience, is always being ready for, whatever the bride or the bridesmaids need. Kind of goes back to my Boy Scouts, always be prepared, and I hope it helps you to be prepared for your next wedding too. See ya!